Hello friends, I am Sau Shinde. Today we are going to discuss post-Mendelian deviations or Mendel's ratio. The deviations of Mendel's, there are some intergenic interactions and intragenic interactions. The post-Mendelian genetics. In the post-Mendelian genetics, studied the many expression or some experiments in other plants. This experiments is other plants, means plants and animals showing the different experiments. But in Mendel's study, only the garden pea plants and having the 7 pair of contrasting character. But post-Mendelian deviations or ratios, the many exceptions to Mendel's ratio, and we are observed the different plants and animals. The ratios are observed in the different plants and animals, and this expression due to the gene interaction. This expression is explained due to the gene interactions, and this gene interaction we are included the post-Mendelian deviations, or it is called neo-Mendelian. There are gene interactions. First of all, the gene interaction. The gene interaction, it is occurring in two types of the gene interaction is occurring in the organisms: intergenic interactions and intragenic interactions. The first we will discuss the intragenic interaction. This intragenic interactions means this interaction is occurs between the same alleles. This interaction is occur between the same gene of an allelomorphic pairs. It is called intragenic interaction. This interaction it is occur between the same allele of an gene, and it is called the intragenic interaction. Now these intragenic interactions are involved three examples: incomplete dominance, codominance, and multiple alleles. These are the three examples included in intragenic interaction. This interaction occur between the same gene of homologous chromosomes. And next one gene interaction, it is an intergenic interaction. These interactions they are occur in the different gene of a same or different chromosome. This interaction is takes place in same or different chromosomes, and this interaction it is called intergenic interaction. This interaction is takes place in the different genes or different alleles, and this intergenic interaction it involves the for many experiments: pleiotropic genes, polygenic inheritance, supplementary genes, complementary genes, and also epistasis. It is involved in the intergenic interaction. Now the first we will discuss the intragenic interaction, and first example of intragenic interaction is incomplete dominance. The first example, incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. The first of all, what is the incomplete dominance? The incomplete dominance means the both the alleles or allelomorphic pairs they are expressed partially. Both the alleles or allelomorphic pairs express partially. The partial distribution. This expression is a partial. Both the genes or allelomorphic pairs they are expressed partially, and this term is called the incomplete dominance. It is not a complete dominance. Incomplete means partial distribution of both the alleles. Means that expression is half of. not a complete expression in F1 hybrids. Only the incomplete dominance means the both the alleles or allelomorphic pairs, they are express only partial expression. For example, in incomplete dominance, the 4 o'clock plants are in botanical names in the incomplete dominance in Mirabilis jalepa. This is a 4 o'clock plants. 4 o'clock plant. The flower is open only 4 o'clock. This Mirabilis jalepa is an example of incomplete dominance. The parents of Mirabilis jalepa, the crossing between two plants or two colored flowers, the cross between pure red variety of Mirabilis jalepa and other is pure white variety of Mirabilis jalepa. The first one crossing between these two plants, first one parents or their phenotypes, red color of flowers, red flowers cross with white flower, red flower cross with white flower. This is a phenotypes. The red flower is crossed with white flower of Mirabilis jalepa or 4 o'clock plants. Their gametes will be formed capital R, and white flower small r. These are the genotypes. There will be produced the gametes capital R, homozygous, only one gametes will be produced, this small r, and the F1 generation will be produced capital R, small r. The F1 will be obtained, F1 hybrid is formed. This F1 hybrid is pink color flower. F1 hybrid produce pink colors. Flowers are obtained in F1 hybrids. Now the incomplete dominance expression is partial. Now this red flower is crossed with white flowers and obtain the pink color of flowers. Means the partial distribution is occur in the F1 generation. Now selfing of F1 hybrid produce the F2 generation with the help of checkerboard method. F2 generation will become in incomplete dominance. F2 generation the pink color flowers are obtained, and these pink color flowers capital R, small r, this is a F1 and produce the gametes capital R and small r. This F2 generation with the help of checkerboard methods, the capital R and small r, male and female gametes will be formed, and the F2 will be produced capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. So the F2 generation produce 4 colors, means 4 plants are obtained, but their color is different. The first capital R produce red flowers, capital R, small r produce pink colors, flowers, Last one, white color flower. In F2 generation obtained the phenotypic and genotypic ratio of Mirabilis jalefa 4 o'clock plants. The genotypic and phenotypic ratio, the phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance, the red color flower is obtained 1, pink color flowers are 2 and white color flower is 1. The ratio will be formed 1:2:1 in incomplete dominance. In phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 in incomplete dominance, and genotypic ratio will be same. The genotypic ratio of incomplete dominance is the capital R1, the genetic constitution capital R small r 2 and small r produce 1. The ratio will be formed 1:2:1. The genotypic and phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance is similar. It is a 1:2:1 and the phenotypic and genotypic ratio is always same, always equal in incomplete dominance. For example, the question may be asked in incomplete dominance. The question is first question, incomplete dominance, the ratio of red, pink and white. The ratio of red, pink and white in 4 o'clock plants, the ratio will be found 1:2:1. This is one of the example or MCQ question may be asked in this topic. The incomplete dominance, the ratio between red, pink and white in 4 o'clocks. In 4 o'clock plants means Mirabilis jalefa plants, this incomplete dominance is occur and the ratio will be formed 1:2:1. The genotypic and phenotypic ratio is similar in the incomplete dominance.